you ready? Set, go! Easter Wipeout 2011! Woo! Happy face, happy face. All right, they just get in the, where's the, oh, I moved it, oh crap. Get in the basket, Deja. Or bring it back, I'm sorry. Where was our supply chief? Oh goodness. All right, get her on there. Turn her around. Go, 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 go. Oh, this is the moment we've been waiting for, a sudden death. Deja, get your ball. Ah! All right, Michael, you throw. All right, Deja, you throw. Okay, get your Easter egg baskets. Get your baskets, Go for it. All right. Where's Deja? Uh-oh. There's a strategy going on. Oh my goodness. You got a lot there, babe? Little do they know, it's called Easter Wipeout for him. Get him, Daddy, get him! Get him! Why y'all not picking up eggs? What's going on? There's money in there. Ow! Michael.
He's trying to get a drink break.
No, he did not. Michael, you a mess. Where's Deja? Oh. Ooh, Deja got a big pink one. What the? That wasn't part of the plan. That wasn't part of the plan. Oh, goodness. Did I have everything? You guys, there's still eggs on the ground. There's money in those. Okay, he too cool for eggs. Okay. What? Why did it look like hostages? Oh, goodness. Michael, you too cool for school? No. All right. Uh-oh. Easter Wipeout 2011.